Hello, I am taking my favorite picture that I have drawn um, and I'm going to turn it into a sticker today because I'd like to use it on my planner. I'd like to put it on the back of this planner. So I'm going to create a sticker out of my favorite little drawing here. And so this is the way I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take my drawing and I'm going to cut it, make it smaller so I can turn it into a sticker. I've got a little piece of tape on the back of here already. Take that tape off the back of it. I've been attaching it to things with just pieces of tape on the back, but now I want to turn it into a true sticker. And this is the way I'm just cutting into the picture as closely as I can. You just have to kind of get creative with it and cut as deeply as you can, getting as close to the artwork There we go. That's about maybe just a little deeper on this side. Okay, that's as deep as I'm going to go because I don't want to nick the picture. Move some of this out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to take this picture and turn it into a sticker. So I start with some wax paper. And I'm going to cut the wax paper a little closer to the picture, but leaving plenty of margin here to work with. But yeah, I'm cutting it down because I'm going to tape the wax paper. I'm going to put tape on top of it. Alright, so I've cut it down, and now, and again, I'm turning this into a sticker. I'm turning my painting into a sticker. So now I'm going to use this surface here to begin to tape it. So I'm putting strips of tape onto the wax paper. And that's why I cut it down, because I don't want to have to use large amounts of tape when I can just cut the wax paper down to size. Helps preserve some of the tape. So now I'm just taping the wax paper. Alright, so there we go. So the wax paper has tape. Now I'm going to take my picture. Oops, that little piece came off. So, there we go. Now I'm going to take my picture and I'm going to put it onto the taped area. Get it just right. And now I'm going to tape down the picture. I started from the center there just to hold it down. Okay, and so it's tape on top of tape. This is what's going to give it that shiny, whoops. This will give it that shiny look. There we go. And one more piece. There we go. So now I'm going to pull this up. So what I have is the paper on the back, the wax paper on the back, and I have the tape on the top. So now the next step is to cut the excess off, and you want to leave yourself some border. So I'm just cutting the excess off, leaving some border. Okay. So there's the sticker. Now I'm going to take my planner and I'm going to pull the back of this paper. I'm going to pull it off the back and see how nice and sticky that is. It's nice and sticky. And so now I'm going to take it and place it on my planner. I left the border, I cut around and left some border so that these edges, I would be able to stick them down. And there it is. There's my sticker. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of videos. Take some time, look at some of the other videos. Refer some of your friends over. And thank you so much for watching today. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.